Have you ever wondered about the potential of small-cap cryptocurrencies? Well, this is your gateway into that world. Small-cap cryptocurrencies, while being lesser known, can offer high returns. But with great potential comes greater risk. It's a double-edged sword. Therefore, it's crucial to do your homework before venturing into this realm of digital currency. After all, knowledge is power, especially in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency. So let's dive into the world of small-cap cryptocurrencies and reveal some hidden gems. The first on our list is Nano, a green lightweight cryptocurrency. Nano is all the rage for its instantaneous transactions and zero fees. It's been making waves with its eco-friendly operations, but as with all cryptocurrencies, market volatility is a factor to keep in mind. Next up we have Decred, a community-directed cryptocurrency. Its hybridized consensus system and emphasis on community input make it a standout. However, the challenge lies in maintaining active community participation. Third, we have Theta Fuel, the operational token of the Theta network. It's set to revolutionize video streaming, but its success is tied to the platform's adoption. The fourth, Engine Coin, is designed for the world of gaming. It's been picking up speed with its innovative solutions for in-game purchases, but its reliance on the gaming industry poses some risks. Lastly, we have Kyber Network, a decentralized exchange that allows instant trading. Its unique on-chain liquidity protocol is its strength, but it faces stiff competition. These 5 cryptocurrencies offer a diverse range of opportunities for investors willing to take on a bit more risk. Moving on to the next set of cryptocurrencies. Number 6 on our list is a gem known as Zephyr. This coin's unique selling point is its robust security features. Despite its recent volatility, it has shown promising growth potential. Next up, we have Oasis. Oasis is known for its impressive scalability and high-speed transactions. Although it's been under the radar, it's been steadily gaining traction in the market. The 8th entry is Neptune. Neptune stands out for its commitment to sustainability, using a fraction of the energy that other cryptos need. It's a relative newcomer, but has already made waves in the industry. Number 9, Pegasus, is a coin that prides itself on its user-friendly interface. Its recent performance has been fairly stable, making it a potential safe haven in the volatile crypto world. And finally we have Quasar. Quasar is all about privacy. Its anonymous transactions have attracted a niche market, but it's not without its potential risks. These cryptocurrencies represent the potential for significant returns, but always remember to do your own research before investing. The world of small-cap cryptocurrencies is both exciting and unpredictable. These 10 hidden gems we've just explored have the potential to yield significant returns, yet they also carry inherent risks. It's essential to delve deeper, conduct your own research, and make informed decisions. Cryptocurrencies are not just about quick profits. They're about innovation, about shaping the future of finance. Remember, the higher the risk, the higher the potential returns. But always invest wisely and stay informed about the latest developments in the crypto world.